Hello, my name is Taufik Hidayat bin Muhammad Rasul. Today, I wish my friend from Section 2 Group H, Syed Azri Haziq bin Syed Azli and Wan Haikal Fitri bin Wan Ahmad Rizali would like to share to you about our lab experiment, temperature measurement. In this video, we will explain about the additional theory of this experiment, the objective, apparatus, the example of infographic poster that we made, the result, observation and discussion. By the end of this presentation, we will explain about the conclusion and recommendation to improve this experiment procedure in order to make it more accurate when collecting data.
Okay, my name is Syed Azri Haziq bin Syed Azli. Right now, I will explain about additional theory of temperature measurement experiment. Temperature is a measure of hotness together with a measure of thermal mass of a body. It gives an indication of thermodynamic energy that body contains. There are many scales for the comparison of temperature, and the most important is with their corresponding values for melting ice and boiling water, which is Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. There are two reference temperatures used for most common scale, which is melting point of ice and the boiling point of the water. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Next is objective. There are three objectives of the temperature measurement experiment. The first one is to compare the relative accuracy and dynamic response of PT100 sensor, NTC thermistor and thermocouple type K. The second one is to comprehend the concept of resistant thermometer and thermistor using PT100, NTC probe and thermocouple. And the third one is to understand the relationship between resistance and temperature and the main difference between resistance of thermometer and thermistor. Next is the apparatus for thermal measurement experiment. There are 17 apparatus in this experiment, which is master switch, storage case, socket which is unregulated, socket with power regulator, switch of the socket which contain three things, resistor, three type of resistor which is 10 ohm, 100 ohm and 1000 ohm. Digital multimeter, digital display for PT100, digital display for thermistor and TC, digital display for type K thermocouple, liquid thermometer, bimetallic thermometer, gas pressure thermometer, insulator flux, psychrometer, laboratory heater for water and sand, and the last one is power control for switch 4. Next is, this is the poster we have prepared, the infographic poster. You can pause if you want to take a closer look.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Haikal Fitri bin Wan Ahmad Rizali. It is 190278. So, first result. This is the result that we got. At the top is the data we need to find, such as temperature and resistance for PT100, NTC thermistor and thermocouple. At the bottom, we have the full data we have to find and calculate it. We have managed to find the temperature and resistance for each tool. Next, moving on to observation. The experiment shows the accuracy and sensitivity of the temperature point. The voltage and current shows perfectly when it comes to the multimeter. PT100 thermometer shows it display when the temperature measured is 0 degrees Celsius. The PT100 show the same values. When it comes to the sensor NTC thermistor, the temperature shows is not equal NTC thermistor. It shows that the sensor NTC thermistor is having an error because the data recorded is not in range circle of previous experiment.
Now, I would like to talk about the discussion of this experiment. Number 1 is PT100 graph. For the graph of PT100, the resistance is linearly increasing with temperature. The graph is increased linearly by plotting a line of base fit. The line of base fit has 2 points touching and 3 points are not touching each other. We can conclude that this graph is linearly increased just like the set point. Now, number 2 is NTC thermistor graph. For the graph of NTC thermistor, the resistance is linearly decreasing with temperature. The graph is decreased linearly by plotting a line of base fit. The line of base fit has 4 points touching and 1 point are not touching. We can conclude that this graph is linearly decreased just like the set point. The last graph is thermocouple graph. For the graph of thermocouple, the voltage is linearly increasing with temperature. The graph is increased linearly by plotting a line of base fit. The line of base fit has 3 points touching and 2 points are not touching. We can conclude that this graph is linearly increased just like the set point.
Last but not least, we have the conclusion and recommendation. As the conclusion, we know the concept and how to measure temperature using different measuring devices, which is PT100, NTC thermometer, and thermocouple. The NTC thermometer perform a negative coefficient of temperature, which means the resistance will decrease when temperature increase. This is due to the behavior of semiconductor of material of NTC thermistor. We also conclude the thermocouple have the highest sensitivity. Therefore, it's suitable to be used for highly sensitive temperature measurement, such as circuit protection, while the NTC thermistor is suitable for household and outing temperature measurement. As suggestion, we suggest the base of the thermometer should not touching the base part of the kettle to avoid errors on the data of experiment.